Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Pauline. Thank you guys for having me back. If you happen to be new here, consider subscribing and push that subscribe button down below and push that notification bell so you don't miss out every time I posted a new videos. So here I'm trying to make at least twice or once, or depending on my schedule, videos a week, and hopefully I be able to entertain you guys. So for here in my channel, we'll be talking about fashion, luxury brand, especially handbag, life blog, personal style, and life improvement. So for today's video, we're gonna do another unboxing, and this is the newest hat trend bags that has been going on right now. It's they actually based in Paris. It's more, this particular handbag actually falls into a contemporary handbag, but with the quality of a luxury one. I don't know, but for further ado, let's get into it. So actually today we're gonna do a unboxing for the Pauline handbag. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I would probably say Pauline. I like to say it that way. And this is how the bag comes. It comes to this a beautiful white kind of like linen looking bags. And this is the Polene Numero Un, which is numero uno, and in color, there's the bags right here, description. This is the number, now Pauline number un nano cognac leather, cognac color. And this actually comes from the company, is based in Paris, but once you order it, the mainland is like they ship it from Spain, which is, it works really well. So let me talk about the shipping. Since it was overseas, you gotta pay $25 for the express ship, and it's actually really fast. It's like it should be taking like just 4 days, but since I talk about the delayed or the chaos that's was going on, that's why I ended up waiting for 24 hours to be able to receive it. So they moved it to the 5th, but it's still pretty quick, you know, considering it was out of state. So, and today I think I kind of like this natural light going on right now. I did not use any of my lighting today because it seems like every time I went back and look at my video, it's like I'm missing half of my eyebrows or something. So it's a perfect day. It's bright outside. That's actually the light that I've been using right now. It's just the I'm facing right in front of the window. And let's continue to our unboxing. I won't hold you back longer here. So the bag opens up like this. It has right here. If you are a luxury or a handbag in general, a handbag lover, like yours truly, I just love to try. I mean, this particular bag, the background just gets my interest. I just love to try different things, you know. And it also opens up like this. Comes with this like a felt like dust bag. Enough with the talking. I'm just gonna show you guys is how the dust bag look like. And there's the materials. It really soft and velvety. I mean, this is kind of strange though, because the inside of the dust bag is more, it's rough textured than the outside. I would have loved the outside of the dust bag to be in the inside, because I think that makes more sense, but you'll never know. They may know better than I am. And here's the bag, and it comes to the bubble wrap. So the color is called cognac, which is I think it's a mixture. It's more like a mixture of burgundy or a reddish color with brown, like a reddish brown. So the reason being I picked this color is because, you know, burgundy is just, I mean, burgundy, it never goes out of style. That color can be worn, in my opinion, you can wear it like in any season. You know, I don't really pick, I mean, I'm not really particular on my apparel's color. It's best, I wear any color. And season aside from yellow, that was probably I skipped. The only yellow that I wear during winter is gonna be my accessory, which is the gold one. So I kind of like this color because I was debating in between the tan or the brown one and then the burgundy, because I'm really trying to get something that is more neutral. So I end up, this is happened to be one of the choices of the color. So I said I'm gonna try some cognac color. Oh my god, it's beautiful. See when the lights, I mean, in this side of the room where I'm at, it's a little like really dark, really, I mean, the only light that I have right now is the ceiling, I mean the ceiling fan lights, and then the one behind me, because I'm trying to use the natural lights outside the window. But if you can see it, I think I'm gonna love this color. It's really perfect because you got that cast of brown, and you can also have that kind of like a reddish color. That's beautiful. So this is the bag, and there's nothing else in the bags right here. That's all it is. And I am going to try it on, guys, and then that way you all can see how it looks on me. And then I'm going more on the details of the bag. So it comes with a strap. Hunger right here. You can wear its shoulder bag. You can also wear it like crossbody. I'm more a crossbody person. And it has an adjustable strap right here, and you can definitely, and the bonus tips is you can definitely remove the strap. And if you guys have like an extra chain chain from one of your bags that you can remove and use it from here. So that's actually one of the reasons why I decided to get the POLENE Numero Un, because I was debating between the other one. I forgot the model of those, but it has like a chain linked strap in it. So I was like, I was gonna try to get this one, and then that way I can, you know, I was planning to change it with another strap that I have in here that I've been using with one of my purses. So goes right here. Just gonna cut it off the talking. It comes with an outside packet right here. It's stiff, but it gives this type of leather, it has some structure and stiffness to it, but it actually give you enough stretch that you can easily stick your phone in there, or card or anything, or receipt. This is the side of the bag. It's a beautiful stitching. This is really cute, and this also what attracts me and why I get this bag, because it's really unique. I want something that, I don't know, it just makes my heart jump. It's right here. It has a what do you call this, emblem right here, like the Pauline, like in bows. I'm just afraid it will rub off eventually, but it shouldn't. So it opens up like here, got a snap closure, and it also have a snap closure right here on this side. Here on this side, it will allow you to have a bigger opening, like a huge opening right here. So you can push you out, and it will open into a huge space right in the inside. And it only comes with one slot right in the back right here. I was hoping that another compartment too. So there's another one slot right here. That is just basically a color bottomless fit. And I think it really just going to hold a lot. So you just need to snap back in, snap this one back in. This will allow the bag to hold its shape by snapping it back in. It's really easy. There you go. I really love the color, and I'm glad I chose this color. I picked this color. I really love this one, and you can definitely pair it in any color wardrobe, neutral color wardrobe you have in your closet. And one thing I was gonna say is I'm gonna try this on and see how it looks on me. Gonna do a quick try on. Just gonna move it right here, bear with me. I also like the fact that it is a top handle, which is a plus, because, oh, excuse me for that one. Just gonna try it back. So that's how it looks like here. Let me see if we have any issues. Going to opening and closing the bag. Okay, so here's one issue that I've been experiencing and notice right now is when you open it like this, you're wearing it a crossbody, this handle is kind of like hitting your hip bone, which is not really bad, but over time it might leave a little worn. I mean, it shouldn't be that much problem. This, and this is such a beautiful bag. You can also put in the crook of your arm just so little. You can do it like that, but I think it's too small to be using it that way or carrying it that way. Or you can just put it like this. I think it's really super cute. It's beautiful. And see, because I am 5'1.5" I might have to adjust it all the way here, and then that way I got it in a perfect length. And so that's how the bag looks like. I'm gonna give you guys one more look. The bag. All right, and then let me grab my chair again, back right here. So the bag, I think I love it. It's really gorgeous. I really like the feel of it. So the bag actually cost $260, and it comes in a different sizes as well. If you want something a little bit bigger that will hold more, definitely check the website, because they do come to the different sizes. But I'm not a big like purses kind of person. I always want to get something that's a little smaller, and that I can small enough that able to hold most of my essential, and since it's $260 with a $25 shipping, it basically costs you $285. But as I've mentioned on my what I got in a mail video, that there's also one thing that you guys need to consider. I don't know if that's just my bank or whatever, because I don't know if everyone's experiencing it, but they do charge me a debit card fee, which is, I think it's like $4 and some change. So it totals up to almost $300 for the entire bag. But considering it comes from Paris, and considering of the materials and the craftsmanship of the bag, I'm still going to get it. you know, it's not a big a deal for me. So that's about it, everyone, and stay tuned and consider subscribing and push the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to push the notification bell, and then that way you get notified every time I pop up here in the YouTube. And thank you guys for staying tuned and tuning in with me. I would love to have you back. Give your girls some love and give me some thumbs up and comment down below, and then that way we'll stay connected. Much love for everyone. See you next time. Bye.